The state of Oklahoma is dealing with brutal wind and snow.
Right now, it's about 8 degrees here in Oklahoma City. It has been snowing for about 12 hours straight. It is snowing right now.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. Run it up. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside says the chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma make, keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8-day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out. With some 20s, 50s, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, zillions. I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon. I've been winning, I'm like, why me? I heard these labels wanna buy me. I don't need you, boo, I style me. I roll jeans and they burn me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is.
Oh my goodness. We just had about 4 inches, 5 inches of snow. The Z3 is absolutely just covered in snow. Look at the drift. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be fun. It is blizzard time. We're gonna take the Z3 out in the snow. Hopefully we don't get stuck because look at this. Look how far my foot goes down in the snow. It is, the snow drifts are quite high and it is like 4 degrees out. I'm frigid. Hope this goes well. He's made it. He's got to floor it in reverse. Big truck. He likes it. It sounds worse than it did last time. Dude, it looks hilarious. It sounds actually worse. Wow! I knew that grip was there. Taking the Z3 out to the lot yet again. We got about 6 inches of, how many inches? 4 to 5 inches of snow. But there's no ice, so hopefully we can plow through it all. We got Andy up ahead in the truck in case we need to get pulled out. We might let Truss drive a little bit later because she's been wanting to drive this bad boy and do some skids, do some sliding, some donuts. So, welcome to the snow day.
Thinking you got me right where you want me. I tell her bullshit's ducked up. Sending them shots, we send them back. Yeah, ain't really about that. Run, it's always bounce back. Need more hands just to count down. Stay on my money, I need more breeze just so we can get the team right. Loaded up fully.
I'm trying to use those patches of grip to my advantage. See that? That is gnarly. It looks sick.
So much snow.
So what's up?
Tress's turn. I can see that nervous look on John's face.
Off she goes. Hey, at least you spun out where there's concrete so we can not get stuck. So whenever you the transitions back, make sure the wheel goes the opposite way. There you go. How you feel?
I keep going into the
You're good. Catch some grip. There you go. Nice. Yes. Counter steer. Let off. And go back. Counter steer. Floor. Concrete. That was good. That was good. Counter steer. Quicker. Less gas. So whenever it transitions, like your backing comes around the other side, like when you transition, let off the gas, like whenever you're transitioning. But right when you get back on the other side, like right when it breaks traction the other way, and you're full counter steer, that's when you floor it. Nice, Andy. Honda Ridgeline, the people's truck. That's fun. Anyways, Z3 got a little hot. We're letting her cool off. Tress did great. She was killing it, learning the ropes, hitting some limiter. Overcooking. I didn't think you could overheat in freaking -2 degrees, but it's all right. I think because there's snow packed in the radiator, or snow packed in the bumper that you couldn't get enough. Oh, here he's going. This guy was cooking it. Sorry, Andy, I was vlogging instead of getting your shot for your truck.
Go and try your luck. Test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that be poking out the jeans up and fireworks, I keep the flame running. It's the wrong tree, I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up. They can keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up, trying to put the face to the name. Pull up and I and I'm swerving. If I try to holler, she gon' curve. We came from under rugs like a Persian. We been staying in our lane, ain't no merging. Rapping like a turban. Yeah, these all square like Irvin. Yeah, we grew up in the suburbans. If I say I need my money, then it's urgent. Yeah, they want me to quit. Yeah, they want me to shit. But it's like we gon' keep on making hits while they steady shooting. Man, it's lit, yeah, it's lit. Me and Dale back to back, and yeah, I'm dishing the assist. Yeah, they talk a lot of, but we really with the lame. Always gonna be reaching for they hit.
That thing ripped up hard.
Not a good day for the top down, buddy. So cold.
It looks lit.
Woo!
That's a major key, that's a chest. I'm your favorite G, I think it's best, yo. Stop it on the grill and I'm on jet fuel. Taking more now they cannot clip my wings. Yeah, they suck, they ain't homemade, they ain't even on the scene. Playing small, they don't know, they just know what they see. What it costs to get flea, but this style ain't free.
Right now I'm letting Tress drive and Andy is riding shotgun with her. If you don't know, Tress is my girlfriend. We've been dating for about, we've been dating for like a year or so. But she's super cool. She loves to be supportive and drive, and she wants to learn how to drift, and this is a perfect practice to do so. Z3 in the snow. What can go wrong? Nice. The Z3 honestly never lets us down. We've come out here, I think 6 times, 7, 8 times, just absolutely just beating the piss out of this thing. And it has never let us down once. It got a little hot right there, but that's because we're just absolutely, oh, she's stuck. She's stuck.